Hello friends, welcome in compiler designing class. Uh, as you know that uh, in a grammar there are two type of recursion, left recursion and right recursion. Left recursion means the leftmost symbol on right hand side is equal to the left hand side symbol, then it is called left recursive grammar. And if the rightmost symbol is equal to left hand side, then it is called rightmost recursion. And most of the parser they do not support left recursive grammar. For especially top down parser, the top down parser do not support left recursive grammar. So we should know how to eliminate a left recursive grammar. Now we'll see what is the problem with left recursive grammar is. Just see, if I derive a alpha, then this a, and then this is alpha, then a, and then this is alpha. So as you can see in this case, whenever the a expand, on left hand side we have a non-terminal a, on right hand side we have alpha. If you think about it in a functional form, just assume that there is a function called a. So this tree is something like this, that you are calling a function, and suppose this is the function you called a function. Now this function called itself again with a and alpha. So it will be like this, a and then alpha. Now just see, the function first call itself, and after the completion of this one it will call the alpha. It means in this case, every time whenever you call a function, the function itself calling again and again. So it can stuck to a infinite loop. It can stuck to a infinite loop. Now this is the problem with left recursion, that the left recursion may go into a infinite loop, because whenever the recursion is called, first it called itself. That's why there may be a chance of infinite loop. But if you try this thing, right recursive alpha a, and then again alpha a, then again alpha a, and then it is beta. In this case, you can say that first alpha will come. Just suppose if I am calling a function called this one, first alpha will be considered, and then it call itself. Now in this case, as you can see, both are in parallel. Here function call itself first, so there may be a chance of infinite loop, because every time it is going to call itself first then alpha. But in right recursion, first it calls alpha, means it is going to do some task, and then it is going to call the function itself. So here no infinite loop, or you can say this alpha is nothing but condition checking, and once the alpha is okay, then it will go for the infinite loop. That's why most of the grammar they prefer right recursive. They do not allow left recursion in your derivation. So most of the parser, especially top down parser, they do not prefer left recursion. So we have to eliminate this left recursion, but the language should remain same.